In today's tutorial, I am going to walk you through exactly how to create a purchase order in Zoho Books. Whether you are a small business owner looking to streamline your procurement process or a finance professional scaling your operations, mastering purchase orders is a fundamental skill that will help you stay organized and keep track of your expenses effectively. If this video helps you get your accounting tasks under control, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more productivity tips. Let us dive right in. First, navigate to your Zoho Books dashboard. Look to the left-hand sidebar menu where you will see the Purchases section. Click on it to expand the options and then select Purchase Orders from the list. This will take you to your primary purchase order management screen. To start a brand new order, navigate to the top right corner of your screen and click on the plus New button. This will open up the main purchase order creation page, which is where you will input all the necessary documentation for your supplier. Start by filling in the vendor name field. You can select an existing vendor from your list, or if you are working with a brand new supplier, simply click the plus New vendor option to add their details directly on the fly. Next, you will see the PO number field. By default, Zoho Books will auto-generate a unique sequence for you, which is great for keeping your records clean and audit-ready. But you always have the flexibility to type in your own custom PO number if your company uses a specific coding structure. Following that, select the date of the order to ensure your financial reporting stays accurate. Now scroll down to the Item Details section. Here, you will select the products or services you are ordering, input the quantity, and verify the rates. Once you have populated the list with all your items, take a quick moment to review the total and any tax calculations if applicable. After you have verified that all the details are accurate and your information is complete, you have two primary options at the bottom of the screen. You can either click Save as Draft if you're not quite ready to finalize or send it, or you can choose Save and Send if you are ready to transmit the purchase order to your vendor immediately. That's all there is to it. Creating a purchase order in Zoho Books is a smooth, efficient process that keeps your business moving forward. If you found this video helpful and managed to successfully set up your order, please hit that like button and make sure to subscribe so you never miss our future accounting software guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.